The objective of this lesson is to learn about default indexes when slicing a list. You already know that to slice a list, you use a start index, end index, and a step value. The question is, what happens if one of these values are missing? In that case, Python automatically uses the default values. So what are the default values? If the start index is missing, then it is assumed to be 0. If the end index is missing, then Python selects all the way to the end of the list, including the last element. If the step is missing, then it is assumed to be 1. So here are some examples. In the first line, I'm creating a list with 5 elements. In the second line, the start index is missing. So Python assumes that the start index is 0 and selects the elements 0 all the way to element 3. And the answer will be hello, 2.3, 8, and dog. In the second example, the end index is missing. In this case, Python selects from start index all the way to the last element of the list. It is very important that you notice that if the end index is missing, the last element will be included in the result. In the next example, the step is missing, and Python assumes that it is equal to 1. And in the last example, both the start and end index are missing, and in that case, Python selects the entire list, including the first and last elements. So what did you learn in this lesson? You learned how to use default indexes when slicing a list.